so for today's video, it's gonna be more of an arts and crafts time. We're gonna draw pictures of what each other looks like on paper plates.
Yikes.
Like faces. So you're gonna need paper plates, 2 of them for us. I have 2 popsicle sticks. I just happen to have some colorful ones. If you have regular ones, those will work. If you don't have any popsicle sticks, a ruler will work. This is just so when you tape it on the back, you can hold it up from right there. And then, so if you do that, you're gonna need some tape and then markers. So we're gonna get to drawing.
Here we go.
So we're gonna have to reuse there.
Here, I'll set that down so you can see. There we go.
Plates from
Tic-tac-toe.
Tic-tac-toe. Yeah, so you made me look very pretty.
Yep. Now what?
Do you want purple or you want blue?
Purple match your dress.
So these are apparently our portraits of each other, and even though, I don't think I'm tanner than you, I've somehow made you tanner than me.
Very tan in there.
This is Jordan.
I don't know how hers came out. This is, she looks yellow.
I'm yellow.
But here it is.
Beautiful self-portraits. I don't think they look like us.
I don't think they look like us either.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.